Hi, my name is Roopinder and I'm very happy to share a good experience with you. My wife Jaspreet and I were introduced to Lumani Schuco windows by our architect Vandana, and even before we started building the house, we had ordered the windows. Such was the allure of these windows. I'm very happy to say that we've had a very positive experience with them, and that's the reason I'm sharing it with you. We have more than 61 windows in the house. The way they function is very positive. They're smooth, they're good, sturdy, and the way they've been painted has lasted these 7 years without any flaws whatsoever. Yes, once in a while you do need the service people, and they've been very prompt, and that's again something which I'm happy about, because at the end of the day you need people who are prompt and efficient in their work. With 61 windows in the house, we have a lot of windows from the Damson Group, and I'm happy that they are here, and I think that they have definitely enhanced my experience as a house owner as well as somebody who's residing in the house they built for themselves. Thank you.